Good afternoon, evening, or after morning. I hope you had a good Christmas. This leads us to what this video is about. I'm unboxing an electronics toolkit. It's very compact. I got it off, well, I didn't get it off Temu. Santa got it off Temu. And it just proves that you don't need an expensive toolkit to fix anything. It's very compact, and which is why I like it. And it's just gadgety. You'll see. And I'm taking apart a Wi-Fi connect or transmitter, whatever, however you want to call it. And kind of excited. Fortunately not dating. It is winter. And it's weird. The ground's frozen, but it's not frozen. I hope it thaws soon so I can go metal detecting. Anyway, I'm gonna dig out.
I'm taking some stuff apart. I'm going to take this, not this, but this guy apart. It's a Wi-Fi transmitter, whatever you want to call it. It's been doing me wrong. It's done me wrong. Now, it lasted for a while, and then it just got old. So I'm going to take it apart and see what's in it. Probably going to use these for some drone stuff. That'd be cool. Antennas. That's the correct name, is the antennas. But what this video is really for and really about is this guy right here, which it's a screwdriver set, but it's the Tess2 screwdriver toolkit. There's 71 pieces, I think. I haven't really counted. I haven't used this one yet. My other kits, which I love and I'll still use regardless, I'll kind of make a combination of them, is the iFixit, which is, I can't replace this. This is irreplaceable. I love it. I've used it for years. Love it. High Spec, which I got it because it has different tools. It has the same tools, but different. I got it because of this, really. And then the wire cutter, which I could buy somewhere else, but it's all in one toolkit. So that's that. And I still have the flight test thing in there. I love that from last time, whatever I was doing last time. Anyway, so I also want to mention that I'm using Vigorport microphones, lapel microphones. So this guy's on my lapel or on my shirt collar. And why I'm using that is I've mentioned it once or twice in my videos before, but I'm in my basement, in my dungeon, doing laundry, and what you cannot hear in the video right now is the washing machine, which is awesome. I'm stoked about that. So stoked that I'm putting it in this video right now. So the only complaint I have about this thing is that it does not come with instructions. It didn't come with instructions at all. It was a Christmas gift from Santa. So it's, yeah, I was like, cool, awesome. So I kind of had to, looked it up on YouTube. My complaint about the other electronic repair kits or toolkits, it's not really, they're hard to put in your pocket. If I want to be like, oh, okay, I want to go check this out and do this, I got to bring the whole kit with me. This fits in the pocket, and it's pretty sturdy. This the outer coating is steel, and it's made in China. So, people might have an issue with that. I don't. You can get it on Temu. So, pretty sure that's where Santa got it. I don't know. It says open. So, we're going to press the button. Bam. And there's, nothing else in there. I can't really see anything. But it has all the bits you need. It also has tweezers, which in my house, everybody loves to steal my tweezers. So the more tweezers I get, the better. Also has this guy. They have a name for this. I don't know what it's called though. I don't know the name for it. In the other kits, this is what I use the most. And in my iFixit kit, especially this one, the flat one, it's bent. I've used it so much, and it works. But it's good that I got a new one. What I had to figure out is all these bits. Where's the bottom part? You know, the actual like screwdriver part of it, where it goes in. I couldn't find it. And I had to look it up online. And how you find, or how you get this, is these two pieces right here. It even points the arrow. You push up, and you'll see that there is where the button, the open button is, comes out. Pull it out, and bam, there it is. And this guy, as you can see, you can apply pressure on it and then twist, and the top moves. So that is awesome. It fits in there, and it's all compact. And you can carry it around with you pretty easily. And it's from Temu, which is interesting. It's also magnetic, so we'll test the magnetic part of it. I don't really trust the magnetic part of it, but oh, there, one fell out. Two, oh, that haven't fallen out yet. Oh, there we go. Shake it around a little bit. He's holding on there. Oh, so yes, it's magnetic. Does it really work? Sort of. Another thing I'd like to point out is they have pictures of what the drivers are, which is cool. This one is missing, not because it came like that, but because of one of my kids who just came clean about it. Anyway, kids are kids. But yeah, you'll notice that they have a picture for the designated bit, and I love that. Color coded. Pretty cool. Another awesome tool you should probably have is this guy. It's just a magnet. It just extends. I got this from Harbor Freight. I'm talking about because it is pivotal. Because I drop a lot of stuff. I drop a lot of metal things when I. So it's a little tricky to take those out because it doesn't unscrew like it normally would, like normally something would unscrew. Goes around. See how bad I can struggle with this. See, it's getting a little bit looser, and it'll get to a point. I have like 3 or 4 tripods that I could use, but I choose not to because that would make most sense, right? A tripod would give me more than one hand to work with. Genius. So much camera equipment, but I choose not to use it right now. So yeah. So starting was a little hard because I couldn't get in there. Finally got in there. I'm not ever using this again, or I'm not reselling it. So I didn't break anything, but I was thinking about it. It took a minute. And as you can see a little crack in there. I started, and it's going good. I mean, way easier than it was. So I just wanted to give an update to have y'all see what I was doing. All right. So normally, if I was using the other kits, I would pull out the plastic space or gap keepers, I guess, whatever you want to call it. On this project, in this video, I'm only using the kit that I have, or that I was given, because it's new and I want to test it out. Anyway, so I was going slowly across, and then I just like, what if I saw an opening, and I just decided to click it, and it worked. It made it much easier. I just wanted to stop and show the inside of this Wi-Fi connector, transmitter, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, it's just kind of cool. The whole reason why I took this apart is because I've never taken one apart. I've never seen the inside of it. You have the antennas. Sorry, I was pointing at this. And it's antennas. This is the power, where the power cord goes into. More antennas. And they all come over here. And later I'll pop these off. Because these, like I said, I want to use these in a drone Now I want to take these out. I'm going to use the tweezers that were supplied. I'm excited just to see. I mean, I'm not really excited about tweezers, but that kind of pulls off. Those came off really easy. Maybe that was probably was wrong with it. Oh, there we go. And then this one's going to be the hard one. I'm going to have to put the camera. Oh, there we go. Not so hard. Anyway, so taking out, taking out, and taking out. Easy unplug. So I just removed these two pieces. It took me a minute because I couldn't find the screws. And then show you where the screws were. Right here. So that was awesome. It took me a good minute because I'm not never going to use this, but I didn't want to break it. Just see if I couldn't break it. So it's disassembled. As you can see, I took everything apart. I don't have the microphone. The microphone's right there. I don't have it on currently. Clearly it's right there. Washing machine and dryer's not going. Not an issue. So I don't have it on. Anyway, yeah, I just wanted to point out it's taken apart. You got the antennas. So I don't really have any issues with it. It's just that it's made in China. It's from Temu. And it's not really that, I mean, it's magnetic, but they don't really stay in there. Like, you can bump it easily, like, because I'm a clumsy person. Like, I'm a bull in a china shop. So you have the cover on it, nothing's coming out. But me, I'll put it somewhere and then like hit it and then like stuff will fall out. So that's my issue with that. Other than that, compact, I love it. I can put it in my pocket with the cover on and take it anywhere. I mean, you can refill it with other bits from other toolkits as needed. If for whatever reason you need more than one, or if you lose one, but that's pretty cool. I think this is a useful tool. I love pointing this out too. Great use for this. Keeping all the screws and the they're not bits, but keeping everything together, everything metal together.